Unveiling the Hidden Gem, a treasure in language. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going on a linguistic treasure hunt to uncover the meaning behind the phrase, hidden gem. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just starting your journey, this phrase may pop up in conversations, books, or even in reviews online. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what a hidden gem is but also how to use the expression like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and discover this treasure together. Imagine you are walking down a path and stumble upon a beautiful, rare crystal that no one else has noticed. This crystal is valuable, unique, and not widely known. This is exactly what a hidden gem signifies in the English language. It refers to something that is of great value or quality but not widely known or recognized by people. This could be a small local restaurant with the best food in town, a little-known book that is fantastically written, or even a quiet scenic spot untouched by tourists. The phrase can be used literally but is more commonly used metaphorically to describe any underrated or overlooked thing that deserves more attention and appreciation. It's a positive expression that evokes a sense of discovery and delight in finding something special that is not obvious to all. To fully grasp the meaning, it's helpful to break down the two words. Hidden implies that something is not easily seen or noticed. It's concealed from view, perhaps intentionally or simply by circumstance. Gem, in a literal sense, is a precious stone that is cut and polished for jewelry. Figuratively, a gem is anything that is prized for its beauty and worth. When combined, these words suggest a preciousness that's there to be uncovered by someone who takes the time to look. Now that we understand what hidden gem means, let's put it into practice. Here are some examples of how to use it in a sentence. 1. On our trip to Greece, we found a little hidden gem of a beach that was almost completely empty. 2. The bookstore around the corner is a real hidden gem. It has some rare first editions. 3. You must try that cafe in the alleyway. Their homemade pastries are a hidden gem. Notice how the phrase adds a layer of mystery and exclusivity to the sentences. It's as though you're sharing a secret about something truly remarkable. You can use hidden gem in various contexts. Travel and places, describing a location that is less known but worth visiting. Entertainment, talking about a movie, book, or song that is not mainstream but is of high quality. People and talents, referring to someone's abilities or qualities that are not yet widely recognized. Businesses and products, highlighting a company or product that deserves more recognition. It's a versatile phrase that adds color and depth to your descriptions, making the subject matter more intriguing to the listener or reader. I hope you've enjoyed this little adventure and have discovered the beauty of the phrase, hidden gem. Remember, language is full of such treasures, and it's through learning and exploration that we uncover their value. So, keep your curiosity alive, and who knows what other gems you might find in your language learning journey. Happy discovering, and see you in the next video.